What is up, my dudes? I've got a design challenge coming at you right now. Here's the deal. I'm in Seattle at my sister's house. She wants me to design and build a planter box for her. And I've got this $50 Home Depot gift card and a couple of random tools that she has in there. So got something designed, and I'm headed to Home Depot right now, and we are gonna see what we can do. So I just stumbled upon this 5/8 inch thick cedar planks that are 6 foot long that are actually going to be cheaper. So I'm going to make some quick adjustments and I'm going to roll with this stuff. Whoa. All right, check this out. $50.76. So some of the ways in which I had to get clever, I found some cedar picket fencing, which was actually cheaper. I have a hacksaw, but I picked up a reciprocating saw blade that I'm gonna drill 2 holes in to go into the hacksaw. Friends, let me show you what I picked up. So here's the lumber for the project. I've got an aluminum angle iron right over there because I had no way to cut the steel. So I decided to go with aluminum, which I'm going to spray paint black. I've got a hacksaw, and then I had no way to actually cut the wood, which is an issue. So I went ahead and picked up a reciprocating saw blade. I'm going to drill a hole in the other end and fit it right onto the hacksaw, so this then becomes a wood saw. So this cost me $3, and then I've got our nails, both our finishing nails and our structural nails. Original plan was to drill through the tip of this blade and to cut the wood with that. I couldn't actually drill through that blade, so what I did is I hooked this up just using some twine to the frame. I just cut my first one here. This cedar is pretty wet, so I needed a way more aggressive tooth, but it's working. As long as I don't tap the twine itself on the board, it should be all right, but it's holding up right now. All right, quick update. So I got the box assembled. I just went back to Home Depot and switched out the wide board for a smaller trim piece. You can see I have 2 braces in the corner. I've got a board that is substantially thinner but color matched pretty well to trim out the top of the box. Once I get the angle iron on, it's gonna be ready to be attached right there, ASAP.